How to find Binance password if you've forgotten. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can find Binance password if you forgot. So in order to locate the Binance password if you've forgotten it, then you have to watch this video till the end. So all you have to do is just exit out of your Binance application and then open up your Google, or you can go to the settings, whichever is convenient for you. And while you're on this page, you need to scroll down and head over to the section that says account. Here you need to select the Google account where you actually might have saved your password. So in my case, I must have saved it on my this following account. Now go to Google account in order to expand it, and it's going to take you to this field. So right on this page, you need to go ahead and tap the search bar and go ahead and type in password manager. And as you locate password manager, here you should be able to see your Binance password. So what you can do is you can scroll down and locate the password. In my case, I haven't saved the following information, so I'm going to show you the instruction list. Let's say that this is your Binance. Now type in the password associated with it or the verification pin, and here you can see you'll be able to see the password by tapping on the I button located right in the corner. However, this is only going to help you when you've actually saved your password to your Google. If you have not saved your Binance password to Google, then you'll not be able to access it right over here. Then the only alternative method is to visit the mobile app and then log in into your account and tap the forgot button. As you do that, you'll be asked to enter in the email address and tap the submit button. It's going to take a while in order to send you a verification email. So go to your email inbox and locate the email that you've just received, and then you'll be able to reset your password. So that's the only alternative method on finding your Binance password if you forgot it. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.